friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. I have two cute little friends to share with you today. This is Theo the Penguin, and he's modeled after the penguin Theo in the book Theo's Heart. It's a children's book written by Amy Kwong, and it's about compassion, empathy, taking in others' perspectives, and being a good friend. My little girl loves this book and keeps requesting it at bedtime. She loves the magical elements in here, and I definitely recommend it for any family with little ones. What's great is that if you do get this book, there are crochet patterns available to make your very own little Theo the Penguin, and it comes in 2 different sizes as well. So with this one pattern, you'll be able to make 2 Theos. You can make one that is the perfect size to cuddle and hold for little ones, and also a tiny version of Theo. The 2 main differences between these 2 is that the big Theo uses blanket yarn, which is a super bulky weight yarn for the wings and for the body. The feet and the heart are made using medium weight yarn, and they're sewn onto the body after. Whereas the wings and the body are actually all crocheted completely in one piece, even with the gray and white parts that's crocheted together with just color changing methods. So the mini Theo is worked similarly with the body and the wings crocheted together in one piece. So there's minimal sewing for this project. However, Mini Theo does have a slightly different instruction for the heart and for the feet section. So that is all included in the pattern, and it's a lot of fun to make, very quick to work up as well. It's a project that you can do in one sitting, and I'm sure your little one will love to have a book buddy with the wonderful children's book, Theo's Heart. I do want to mention that this book comes in a English and Chinese bilingual version, and it also comes in an English only version. So I will link both in the description box below for you to check out, and be sure to show it some love on Amy Kwong's Instagram as well. I will link that in the description box below, and hope you'll have a fun time crocheting and reading. All right, thank you so much, and happy crafting. Bye now.